What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Chris, and today we are going to do an installation video on how to install the Magne Shade for your Class A and Class C motorhomes. What this is a custom shade that goes on the outside of your glass and your windows to help protect from harmful UV rays that come in and keep the inside of your coach a lot cooler, which is really important on these hot days. Keep that AC from working so hard. So when I reached out to Magne Shade and talked to them about this product, they were happy to send it to me. We got it custom fitted. We're gonna go through, show you the installation, how it's done, how it helps out, how you can still see out through the window, and all the benefits that it's gonna offer for you. Now, before we start the installation process and get into that, just real quick, what is Magne Shade and how does it work? Well, you can see me standing in front of some of them right here. Custom fit for your RV that utilizes extremely strong magnets that stick to the inside of the window so that there's no drilling, no Velcro, no loops, no strings, nothing. It just utilizes magnet technology to make an extremely easy application to put them on. No ladders involved. It comes with an awesome pole so you can reach up into the corners, install it on those big windows, and they come in different style fabrics. You go to the website, you pick out the fabric that you want, depending on how dark you want it, if you want to see out. They even have lots of customization that you can do, so you can get your own custom front end, which looks really cool. The first step in ordering your Magne Shade or getting it set up for you is going on their website and reaching out to them, telling them exactly what kind of coach you have. They're gonna send you some paperwork. You're gonna fill it all out. You're gonna do some measurements on all the windows. It's a pretty easy process. The instructions are great, and it walks you through the whole process of measuring all the windows and the information that they need from you so that they can send you out the custom fit Magne Shade. Now, the first window shade that we are going to install, we're gonna go ahead and do the real big front window right here, and then we'll do these side accessory windows after that. Now, everybody's windshield and things are going to vary on sizes, even on the installation instructions as far as where the magnets go and maybe what type of magnets to use. Your kit will be customized to you to give you exactly the magnets that you need for your window shade. Now, the first process that we're going to do is what's called kind of dry installing. This is going to require 2 people throughout most of this installation, so make sure you have somebody to help you out. What we're going to do is somebody's going to go outside utilizing a ladder if possible. They're going to have the shade, and we're going to have somebody inside with the magnets. We are using the 3/8 inch thick magnets to start this process, and we have 2 1/2-inch magnets for the corners for ours. This may vary for you, but the instructions will let you know. What we're going to do is a dry fit. We're not going to stick any adhesive to anything right now. I will be outside on the ladder holding the shade, holding it up, while I have my partner in here using the magnets to gently place them against the glass with the adhesive side facing out so that those magnets will stick to the magnets already pre-installed and sewn into the shade. And once you have it dry fit, we can stretch it out a little bit, move it around, and make sure it's exactly where it needs to be before we move on to the next installation step. Okay, so we've finished with step 1. We have the dry fitted version as what you see right here. We haven't actually stuck any of the magnets to the interior of the coach yet. Now, when you're installing on step 1 and the person outside, you may have to go ahead and move these magnets around a little bit. They're sewn into the pocket. There's a little bit of play there, and you want to go ahead and move them as close to the window as you can so that it lines up with the magnet inside as close to the window as you can there. Play around with it a little bit. You want to start from the middle 2 magnets. So you want to kind of line up the Magne Shade, the middle of the coach, start at the top with the 2 magnets, and then kind of work your way out to the side. If you kind of get to one side, it's a little bit off, you may have to kind of readjust and move left to right a little bit. So once you have it, you want to smooth it out, get it all tight, make sure it looks good left to right, top to bottom, and it's all lined up looking good before you go and do the next stage where you actually apply the adhesive magnets inside. That's going to be the next step. We're going to go ahead and clean the glass up inside, remove one magnet one by one, peel off the adhesive, and then reattach it, stick it to the window, and then we will have those magnets permanently attached inside. Now, they also sent us some windshield wiper covers, which is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and slide those on to protect your windshield wiper blades when you're using the Magne Shade as well. So guys, go ahead and remove the magnet. And if you haven't already, you want to take basically rubbing alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and clean that area where the magnet with the 3M tape is going to go. So we're going to clean that area real good on the inside here, just with the rubbing alcohol. Let that area dry up a little bit, just so the alcohol dries. We're going to go ahead and carefully remove the backing, and then we're going to stick this magnet on here while somebody from the outside pushes on that area to hold it in place. So I am pushing on this to hold this magnet in place right now as Megan, my wife, is installing the magnet on the inside of the glass. She has removed the 3M backing and she's pushing it, holding it there for about 30 seconds. I'm pushing on this side while she did that. She has it on there now just to make sure this magnet didn't move or drop down. And as you can see, again, it's almost like a blackout from the inside. She's sitting right here and we cannot see her, which is really nice, but we can still see out. So we do like that feature as well. Okay, so we just went ahead and adhered all of the inside magnets to the window. Now, we're going to let those sit there for about an hour till we start finishing that process. That process is going to be installing what they call the black magnets, the buddy magnets, to the outside of the window. We have to do 4 of these, 1 in each corner, but we're going to go ahead and let those adhere for an hour, and then we'll go through the process of showing you how to install those. In the meantime, we're going to do some of these side windows, which require all buddy magnets, the black 1/8 thick magnets. So we're going to do those next. And what that's going to entail is basically taking your window shade. You're going to basically install these magnets on the whole shade all the way around. We're going to clean this side of the magnet with the rubbing alcohol. Once those are clean, then we're going to take an 3M sticky pad and we're going to attach it to here. Now, of course, we're going to leave the backing on this side. We're not going to peel the backing off this side facing here until it's time to actually stick it to the outside window. But first, we need to go outside and prep the windows. What you're going to need is a steel wool and some rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's steel wool and not, say, like a stainless steel scrub pad. You don't want to use a stainless steel scouring pad or scrub pad. Make sure it's steel wool, and I believe it's recommended. It's called 000 steel wool. That way you don't have to worry about it scratching anything. And again, only do this on your windows. Don't do this on any kind of painted surface or anything like that. Okay, we're going to take our rubbing alcohol, the steel wool pad. We're going to just put just a little bit on the steel wool pad. It doesn't take much. And we're just going to go ahead and lightly buff the areas where the magnets are going to go. Next up, you want to take that silane solution, basically kind of like a 3M tape primer. We're going to spray a little bit on a microfiber cloth, and again, rub the areas real well where you will be applying the magnets to the outside of the glass windows. Once you have that all finished, we're going to go inside and install the magnets to the shades. Make sure there's a top and a bottom. The top is going to have the pockets where the pole is going to go to apply the shade, and the back side will be the side without the pocket. So this is where you want to go ahead and install the black magnets at this stage of the installation process. Now, you're going to feel the polarity. If I go like that, I can feel the resistance, so you know which way it needs to go. It's going to snap on, and you want to get it about 1/4 inch from the corner right here. Once you've attached the magnets, you want to take a lint-free cloth, microfiber cloth, just put a little bit of alcohol on it and clean each back side of the magnet. We're prepping them up to get ready for the 3M stick pads to be put on. Next, grab your 3M adhesive pads, remove the backing from one side, and carefully attach to the magnet. Go ahead and push that down for 30 seconds to make sure it adheres really good to the magnet. Now that we're back outside, we're going to go ahead and take the shade and we're going to peel the backing of the 3M stickers off. Let's start at the top of the window, get it nice and lined up perfectly how you want it, and press down on one corner, stretch it out, and press down on the other corner. And you're going to want to hold those for about, again, 30 seconds, applying pressure. After you kind of feel those are on pretty good, work your way down, peeling the backs off each magnet, and go ahead and get them all stuck on there real nice and good by applying pressure again. Now you can go ahead and peel the shade back off, and that's going to go ahead and leave the buddy magnets permanently attached to your window. And again, I would come back once a day at least and apply pressure to the magnet again for another 35-45 seconds just to make sure these magnets really stick. So leave the shade off for the next few days while the magnet just has time to adhere to the window. Okay, so we finished all of our side windows yesterday, then we kind of got rained out, so we got one more step to do. You can see we got all the exterior black magnets out here. Now, after you install those, we come back out here the next day, and I'll apply pressure again. And I'll go through all these and apply another 30, 45 seconds of pressure. It's okay to do this over like the next 2 to 3 days, maybe once or twice a day, because if there's something that's going to fail in this process, it's going to obviously be the sticky part, right? So these are pressure activated, so you definitely want to make sure that you put plenty of pressure on them, again, once or twice, if possible, over the next 72 hours before you go ahead and put your shades back up. Now the last step we have to do is over here. The only thing we have left to do with the big Magne Shade is then these corners right here. We have to install the 4 buddy magnets. You may have to do 6, you may only have to do 2. Again, that depends on your window and your instructions. We have to do 4, 1 in each corner. As you can see, we have the inside magnets installed. They've been there, they've cured overnight. Now those go with this pocket right here. There's a magnet right here as well that is going to attach to the black buddy magnet on the outside of the window. That should be the only magnets on the outside of the window for the big Magne Shade on the front of your coach. So what we want to do is pin this back. We want to kind of tag it back so that it sort of sticks to the other magnets out of the way. We're going to clean this up just like we did the other exterior magnets with the steel wool, alcohol, get it all prepped up. And then we're going to attach the magnet here, stick it on there, using magnetic force. Once it's sticking there, we're going to take the tabs, the 3M stick tabs, adhesive tabs, and we're going to peel one layer off, stick it on the magnet, press on it, then again you're going to peel the next layer off, fold it back, voila, we should be done. Okay, we got our magnet right here. Stick it on. Lined it real good. Okay, now I want to go ahead and take the alcohol again, just like we did in the other ones. We're going to clean this up real quick, just a little bit of alcohol. And then we will take the adhesive pad, peel off one back, stick it there, press it real good. Once that's on there, we'll peel this side off, fold it down, press it to the window real good. Okay, the last thing you want to do is, again, peel it back slowly after you've pressed it real good. Leaving that magnet right there. Pin this one back again. And now you want to go ahead and leave that for 72 hours if you can. That's just going to help with this right here. Come back out tomorrow, press on it again a little bit, maybe twice a day, and just make sure you're really getting those pressed on there. So, as you can see, the Magne Shade install is all finished. And when it comes time to put it up, it's easy as can be. It comes with a handy little pole right here that you simply just extend. You're going to slide this into your pockets, hold it, and slide it up, attach it to the magnets. That's going to be it. Okay, there you have it, guys. That's it. The Magne Shade is on. Easy as that with the pole. No straps, no Velcro, no permanent buttons you got to attach. All we got to do now is put the little covers on the windshield wipers and call it a day and stay nice and cool. As always, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next week. And once you pull them down, you go to put them away from storage. It's kind of recommend that you roll them up. It kind of keeps the creases and stuff that would, form from folding them. So a nice tip we read about was taking just a simple pool noodle. That's it. There you go. Good way to put it away. Nice and rolled up.